The rain with us today, tonight, and through tomorrow morning. Not a whole lot of wind, though, but we are expecting a lot in terms of rain, 1 to 3 inches, and for most of us, we're under a flood watch. We look at our radar and satellite. There you see the scattered showers, mainly hugging closer to eastern Mass. Right now, you're in a bit of a lull for Worcester County, and we have some heavier showers that continue to work across southeast Mass. You can follow this line of moisture all the way down the mid-Atlantic and down to the south. So this is part of a front that's barely even budging. Area of low pressure along it is going to amplify and continue to bring us some rain into tomorrow. So we look at our future forecast here. We continue through about noon. So still you want that rain gear as we advance into this evening. For the evening commute, we'll have some heavy downpours indicated by some of those brighter colors. So you want to take it slow on your drive home. The rain just continues overnight, but there's that back edge of it with some showers that continue to linger into tomorrow morning. But the overall trend is that we'll be drying things out, and eventually we actually do get to see some breaks of sunshine. Our current temperatures, upper 40s, close to 50 degrees for Metro West, low to mid 40s across Cape Cod and the islands. We're really not budging all that much with our temperatures. I think for most of us, we're in that range of the upper 40s to the low 50s. We'll take a closer look at tomorrow's breezy forecast ahead. We want the nice weather back, and we'll get a little taste of that tomorrow, and especially for the weekend, I think it's going to look a whole lot better. But we keep the wet weather with us through tomorrow morning. Because of the heavy rain we're continuing to expect through tomorrow morning, anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of rain. We're under a flood watch for Worcester County, and this stretches all the way to the coast down across Cape Cod and the islands. You've probably noticed this already if you've been driving this morning. Street, poor drainage flooding, and if you're susceptible to basement flooding, you want to check on that sump pump. There's also the potential for river and stream flooding, really highlighted across Rhode Island as the potential there. Radar and satellite, you see the showers, the steady rain that continues to lift on through. Now in the mix, you see some of these darker greens, the brighter colors, especially across Rhode Island and parts of Cape Cod and the islands. So some downpours in the mix, and we can follow this moisture all the way down through the mid-Atlantic. This is part of a front that's hardly even budging, but an area of low pressure along that is what's going to continue to strengthen and move toward us, continuing to bring us the rain through tomorrow morning. Already since midnight, anywhere from about half an inch to near an inch of rain. And when all is said and done, as I mentioned, we're expecting anywhere from about an inch to up to 3 inches. I think for a lot of us, we're looking at the range 2 to 2.5 inches closer amounts. Now we look at our future forecast going to noon. If you're headed out for your lunch break, you want the rain gear with you. Still a chance for some downpours in the mix. And as we advance to 6 o'clock for the evening commute, you'll be using the windshield wipers. It'll likely be a slow drive through the overnight. Steady rain is still with us, but you can start to see the back edge of the drier air. So this is 3 a.m. Maybe some wet snowflakes within Worcester County, but then this continues to push off tomorrow morning. We'll just be left with some showers in the morning and even some sunshine by the back half of the day. Our current conditions ranging in the upper 40s to the low 50s. We still have a 45 in Boston, and in fact low to mid 40s across Cape Cod and the islands. There is not a whole lot of wind out there, but through the overnight hours, what's going to happen is that breeze is going to pick up. Temperatures coming off of our highs generally in the range of the upper 30s to the low 40s today, fall into the upper 30s to the low 40s overnight, and then from there we head to a range of the mid 40s to near 50 degrees for tomorrow afternoon, as sunshine will help warm us up a little bit. We'll get some sun, but I do think we'll keep a lot of cloud cover around, and that northwest wind is going to be noticeable, about 10 to 20 miles per hour, gusting a little bit stronger. We look at our forecast heading into the weekend. After we dry things out tomorrow afternoon, we stay dry into Saturday. We'll watch this clipper system working through the Ohio River Valley bring us a chance for a shower Sunday morning. I think the wind is going to be most noticeable this weekend, so it's breezy tomorrow, continuing through Sunday. Less wind by Monday. I know Monday might not be our favorite day of the week, but forecast's already looking fantastic for that, with some sunshine, temperatures in the mid 40s. Next chance for rain Tuesday and Wednesday.